The topic today is the application of Internet of Things, into in particular the mining vertical, which is a very important vertical for us here at Cisco. And the key areas that we're constantly thinking about in terms of how do we apply technology into solving business problems. One is obviously how do we drive greater production, which is top of mind for every mine around the world. The second thing that's extremely important is, safety and security of the people that work in the mines, and how do we meet the regulatory compliance, which are very rigid in a number of countries, and including Canada, that we're going to discuss today. The other thing that's really important is, the mines are spread over sometimes hundreds of miles in a very big area. So having effective communication, all the way from deep in the mines to the surface area, back to the headquarters, and to be able to do things a lot more effectively is very important. So how do we enhance communication all the way across the board? And, the fourth area that keeps coming up as we talk to our customers is how do we bring more, visibility to the process? Because at the end of the day, mining is a process manufacturing. It involves a lot of big data analytics. So again, how do we make that data visible, in real time so people can make more effective decisions and go forward is extremely important. And then, how do you make the data much more actionable? Because, this is the kind of data that, gives you a lot of information. Well, we got to quickly get through it. So these were the important areas that we're trying to hit. If you could please go to the next area. So at the end of the day, think about what do we got to do. We have a lot of vehicles, sometimes autonomous vehicles. We have a lot of personnel, and we have a lot of resources that needs to be managed. So how do we bring more, automation and process technologies to interconnect all these things together and make it a much more impactful and exciting area for the people to work in this area and go forward. That's really the key thesis for our conversation today.